Why learn Excel? It's only known for crunching numbers, and only accountants and finance professionals need this program. Well, this statement is not true. The problem with thinking this way is a user can do more than just crunch numbers. They can take piles of data, small, large, extremely large, and organize that data. They can organize it by creating a table, a chart, or they can also make a personal monthly budget like shown in this slide here. On the professional side, they can create a daily expense tracking report. So on this worksheet here, I show some data that's been entered into Excel. And then here's a pie chart that was created with a small amount of data. And then here is a bar chart. So let's have some fun with Excel. I want to encourage everyone, no matter your background, to subscribe to my channel and learn to make personal and/or professional workbooks using Microsoft Excel.